How to use YouTube TV free trial for NFL Sunday Ticket. Step number 1, sign up for YouTube TV free trial. Go to the YouTube TV website. Click on Try It Free to begin the sign up process. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if necessary. Provide your payment information to activate the free trial. Step number 2, understand NFL Sunday Ticket availability. NFL Sunday Ticket is not included in the YouTube TV free trial. It is a premium add-on that requires a separate purchase even during the free trial period. Step number 3, add NFL Sunday Ticket to your subscription. While logged into your YouTube TV account, navigate to the Settings menu. Select Membership to view available add-ons. Find NFL Sunday Ticket in the list of add-ons. Click on Add or Purchase next to the NFL Sunday Ticket. Step number 4, complete the purchase. Review the pricing details for NFL Sunday Ticket. Follow the prompts to confirm your purchase. Be aware that the cost of NFL Sunday Ticket will be charged immediately and is not covered by the free trial. Step number 5, access NFL Sunday Ticket content. After purchasing, return to the YouTube TV home screen. Navigate to the Live tab or use the search function to find NFL Sunday Ticket channels. Start streaming live NFL games available through NFL Sunday Ticket.